This is week 5. I hope you guys can hear me. There's a loud ass fan. Week 5, day 1 and 2. Alright, so we're gonna do our typical warm up of the side plank leg lift. I might slip here because this floor's slippery. So that's 1 rep. Repeat 9 times each side. Then you're gonna do your sliding front fold. That's 1 rep. Repeat 9 times. Gonna do your reverse plank fold, sliding. That's 1 rep. Repeat 9 times. Then you're going to do your straddle closes. Open, close. That's 1 rep. Repeat 9 times. So that's warm up. Then we're going to be doing 3 flare kick drags. I forget what I call them. 3 dragging flare kicks. So just this demo again. Trace in. Trace in. That is 1 rep. Repeat that 3 times. And you're gonna do 1 dragging circle flare from the 6 o'clock position. Or not 1, you're gonna do 3 of them. Oh, that was bad. It's okay though. So that was 1 rep, repeat 3 times. All right, so now for the new exercise. We're doing our dragging circle flares, full rotations, but you're gonna be starting at the 12 o'clock position. And I do apologize, my demos are shit right now because I just ran through the exercises. Alrighty. Out. So that's clockwise, we're gonna do a counter. I just burnt myself. So to do these, it's essentially taking what you did from the 6 o'clock position, but just inverting it. You once again want to swing hard, you want to push hard. We'll push hard to lift your hips up, and you also want to be pushing your hips through the movement. Cool. So the dragging flare kicks, 3 reps. Dragging circle flares, 3 reps from 6 o'clock. And then your circle flares from 12 o'clock. Do that for 3 sets of 3. Once you're done with that, that's main set. Repeat other side, or repeat again. Perfect.